First impressions are really important. Here's a glimpse of a poor first impression.
Okay, ready to order?
Yes, I'll go for the Welsh rarebit, I think. That's a good traditional Welsh dish, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Is there anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, yeah.
Actually, there's something, nothing to do with food. Maybe you could help me.
Right, well, I'll give it a try.
My family are from Wales originally, and I thought I might do some research whilst I was here. Don't know where to start, though, really.
Well, I haven't got a clue, to be honest with you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
There we are.
The 2010 Ryder Cup could run without you. The difference you make is the human touch and the memories that these human touches create. Visitors coming will want to meet new people, talk about the golf, discuss what they've been doing, where they've been and what else they can do. You will be one of the people talking to them. Here's a much better way.
Bryn Hounda, good afternoon. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'm going to go for the Welsh rarebit. I think that's a nice traditional Welsh dish, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's made with Welsh ale from Swansea, and the cadog is a Welsh cheddar from West Wales.
Lovely, looking forward to it.
Would you like a drink with that? Some Welsh ale or Welsh cider? Both go very nicely with the dish.
Yes, some Welsh cider then, thank you.
Visitors are going to be coming here primarily to look at golf, but golfing tours, you can land in a place, TARDIS-like almost, you know, as in Doctor Who. How do you know where you are? What's the context? So sense of place gives you a context. It gives that additional flavour, that additional magic that bases the experience in that place. It uses all the senses, from taste to what you see to what you hear in terms of language and how people interact with you, to give you a sense of that culture. So it's about sharing our culture and giving it a very unique and Welsh sense of being here in the Ryder Cup.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, actually, nothing to do with food, but
Right, okay.
But maybe you can help me.
All right, I'll give it a try.
Well, my family are from Wales originally,
Right.
and I thought that whilst I'm here I might do some research. I
Right.
don't really know where to start though.
Well, I'm not sure myself, but I'm sure the people in reception can find out. I'll give them a ring and then I'll come back and let you know.
Lovely.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Remember to smile warmly, make the first move and say croeso, be happy to help, understand your role, and most importantly, remember that impressions are made by 7% of what you say, 38% of how you say it, 55% is based on what we see people doing and the way they look.